Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hello guys, it's your boy again, Daniel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so after spending about 15 to 16 months in the UK, now today happens to be my last day on campus. Like, it's my last class for the whole program, so I'll be handing my whole coursework today. So what will be left for me was going to be my dissertation, which is going to happen, or which is going to start in the next 4 months. So I've got like 4 months summer holiday to go, so I felt you guys should go with me as I go for my classes from my home in Newcastle all the way down to Sunderland. So don't go anywhere, keep watching. Cheers. Just as I said at the beginning of this video, today is actually going to be my last day on campus, and after today I'm going to go on 4 months summer holiday. Then when I get back in September, late September, October, I'm going to be starting my dissertation, and by the end of the year I'm done with the program. So I was just reminiscing early this morning, and I was thinking about how difficult it was for me to make the decision to come into the UK, leaving my well-paying job back in Nigeria and relocating to the UK, practically leaving everything back, and my family and so many other things are actually very important to me, and coming to the UK to study. Now, one of the major things I found a bit challenging when I was making that decision there was the fact that I would actually need to transit from my first degree to another program, totally different. I had a first class degree in biochemistry, so I was a science student, and I graduated with the first class honors. I think I finished with 4.75. honestly, when I remember those years, that was in 2015, 2016, that was one of my major achievements at that time, graduated with the first class, and all of that. And now moving to the UK after spending some years in the banking sector in Nigeria, now moving to the UK to do an MBA. I was faced with a lot of uncertainties, the fact that how am I going to cope? I'm going to feel bad, and I'm going to feel disappointed in myself if I move into the UK, do a master's program, and I have a grade that is short of what I'm used to having. I'm used to being an A student for major part of my academic year, and the uncertainty of coming to the UK to do an MBA, a master's in business administration, was one of my major challenges. Before I left Nigeria, I remember I gained admission for a master's program in biochemistry, which I decided to turn down and not take up at all. Just moving from a particular program that you had a good grade in your first degree and doing a second degree in that same field. But I decided not to do it because of the fact that my desire has always been to study abroad and all of that. So I decided I was going to come to the UK to study. Now the question is, if I was to come to the UK now with the level of information and exposure I've gotten, would I have studied an MBA program? That would probably be another topic for another video. But however, I'm here in the UK now. I started my program in February 2021, and it's May 2022 now. It's about February, March, April, May, about 15 months now since I've been in the UK. Now I'm going to be done with my coursework today. Now the question is, how has the experience been so far? It's been challenging, I wouldn't lie to you. I actually lost quite a number of friendship last year in 2021 because of the pressure I was facing here, and the assumption that he doesn't keep in touch as much as he used to, our Nigerian mentality and all of that. But all things being equal, honestly, it hasn't been easy. Challenges of sorting bills, especially if you're coming to the UK like me as a self-sponsored student, you're going to be faced with quite a number of challenges, meeting up with bills and all of that. But honestly, it's worth it. So I'm just going to show you guys how I'm going to get to class now. My class will be starting in next 5 minutes, so I'm going to show you some other things, how my last class is going to look like and all of that. So let me just show you guys some little view of what the St. Peter's campus here in the University of Sunderland looks like. So if you're planning to move to the UK in 2022, you might actually want to consider moving to a university that has good views. Because aside from the academic experience, also the fun part of moving abroad, you don't want to miss it, which were part of the things which I had done differently in 2021. But over in 2022, I'm going to show you guys amazing things. Like, I've got loads of plans to travel this year. God help me. So my summer holiday is starting today, next week, for 4 months, and it's going to be fun. So let me just show you guys around what University of Sunderland looks like. So don't go anywhere, keep watching.
Good day, wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yeah. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
For those who have been following this my channel for a while now, I'm sure so many of you are actually aware of some of the things I'll be sharing in the next few minutes. Now, I've always make emphasis on the fact that if you're coming to the UK to study, ensure that you have enough funds so you don't get yourself worked up. And basically, I personally advise you to get at least 60%, 50 to 60% of your tuition fee ready. So when you get to the UK and you're planning to work to make it up, you're not going to be under so much pressure. Now, what most students do is they just come into the UK after paying the deposit without any contingency plan, any plans on how they're going to get the funds. They just believe they're going to work and get everything sorted. But honestly, it doesn't really work that way most times. You need to ensure that you have enough funds to give it like a buffer when you get to the class. After your tuition fee, you've got other bills, you've got accommodation, you've got loads of other bills are waiting you when you get to the UK. So that's one thing you need to know. And also, studying in the UK can be challenging. Compared to, and I'm going to stand with this anytime, compared to studying in Nigeria, studying in the UK is easier. Honestly, it's easier studying here. You get like a lot of support. Remember when I was struggling with a particular course, I think second semester thereabouts, the lecturer spent 2 hours with me online explaining, giving me strategies, just basically helping, assisting in the way he can as regards my assessments. Was patient enough to listen to my numerous questions, listen to me asking the same question over and over again without getting pissed off, but he was still there to assist, which is something that is not so common back in Nigeria. So as I said, studying in the UK is actually far more easier compared to studying in Nigeria. However, you need to put in the work, you need to study, spend time in the library and all of that. So it's possible, just have to put your mind to it. So for those coming in September, I've gotten loads of messages from people coming to the UK in September. If you're coming for the September intake, please guys, prepare your mind. Aside from, that's why I said, if you're coming to study a course, ensure it's a course you have passion for. Don't study a course because you think, oh, let me just find a way to leave Nigeria so you don't get struck. Because if you don't pass all your assessments, I've got a lot of people sending messages after a particular video I made on why students are not getting post-study visa. You can check out the link up there or check the description. I'm going to put the link there. Now, people have been sending messages on how they have been struggling with some courses and their fear of not being able to get post-study. If you don't pass all your assessments in that has to do with your program, you are not going to be able to get your post-study. So know this. So it's very important for you to ensure that you're studying a course that you have passion for and excel in it. So guys, I'm back home from school. I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys more views. I had to quickly come back to my place in Newcastle to sort out some personal stuff. So that's that about my last day in class. So today what we did basically was just like should I say a closing to what we've been discussing over the past 10 weeks on our dissertation and all of that. So I'm done with classes now. So as I said earlier, I've got like a checklist of things I want to do in the next 4 months. From next week, I'm going to start my summer holidays, 4 months holidays. Woo! So I've got like a checklist of things I'm planning to do. I'm planning to do some travels, both local and international travels. I'm trying to start my dissertation, at least start few chapters of my dissertation, and also write my driving test and also pass the driving test, obviously. So that's those are some of the things I'm planning to achieve. So if you've got like suggestions of where I can travel to, like travel suggestions, just state in the comment section if you stay in the UK, and probably countries that you think I should visit and all of that. So you can please state that in the comment section. So that's all about my. So I'm done with my coursework now. So what I've got left is just to enjoy the next 4 months, work, make some money, and put. And also, yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm also planning to do like some certifications within these 4 months to get some professional certifications done. So these are part of the things I'm planning to do in the next 4 months. So school coursework is done, so it's time to have fun. And this is just like a bonus to some of the things I've always been sharing with you guys as regards relocation to the UK. So if you're coming in September 2022, one thing I also want you to do is try and make connections, create connections. Honestly, in the UK, we are all immigrants, and you will definitely need one person's help. And the only way to survive in this country is to have access to information. So you need to form connections, connect with people, create friendships, try and have people that if you're struggling, you can always reach out to them and they'll be willing to help. So that's one of the things I feel you should also pay attention to as you're planning your relocation to study in the UK or to work. So you need people around. It can be a lonely journey, but you need people around. And I've been blessed with that since I came into the UK. Like I've met quite a number of people that have been of help, people that that have been there emotionally, that have been there physically, that have been there financially. Honestly, you can't survive alone in this land. You need people. You need people that have got experience, have got information, that have got connection and all of that. So these are some of the things that have helped me strive in this country. So I hope you guys have fun. Like I also make some pictures. I don't know if I'll be sharing this on the screen, but if I make up my mind to share it on the screen, you might be seeing it on the screen right now when I'm editing. But that is me. So I'm really looking forward to the next 4 months. I'm really excited about what is in stock for me for the next 4 months, and this is time I actually need to finalize my plans. My what's it called? My program is ending soon. My visa is going to expire. What next? Oh, I'm going to update you guys through the process all the way. Honestly, you guys are going to be informed about how things are going to be transitioning for me as a person, as a young guy living in the UK all by himself. So just stay glued to this channel. So if you're coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, please click on the red subscribe button to join this great family. I've got amazing content that I can always check out from time to time. And for my returning subscribers and viewers, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you guys for the love. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So I'm going to put a stop to this video now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.